Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 15,788 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and reverse. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt slip-on mufflers, a Mustang seat, engine guard, luggage rack, LED headlight, headlight visor, LED front turn signals, rear crash bar, and grips. Stylish factory trike with hot rod attitude, the Freewheeler offers additional stability without sacrificing performance. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 89 horsepower and 110 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a 27.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.